Success rarely starts outside the realm of a person's thinking faculty. Good morning, my name is Victor Quajiri, your business success coach and consultant. And once again, I come here with the Business Building Blocks episode 2 for 2023. Happy New Year once again. This is what I've got for you today. To succeed or fail starts in the mind and shows up in the way we think. To live in an ever-changing world and refuse to update or renew our thinking is like a tree planted in a fast-moving river. You grow, but you never make progress. An individual, community, or nation can only experience progress and subsequently become successful through a constant desire and steps to renew our thinking in the face of human evolution. As you start a new year, purposefully commit to upgrade your thinking. There is no excuse in this information-rich age. There are books to read, audiobooks to listen to, seminars, workshops, courses, and training in almost every subject area you can think of, readily available wherever you turn. This is you and I, our time to make bold moves. Be intentional about it and get started now. Now, before you go, please listen to this quick announcement. As a business coach and consultant, I help people start and grow their businesses. If you like to start a new business or you want to grow your business, reach out and let's get started. Let me help you. Now, we've got a very exciting project ahead, which is our podcast, the Business Building Block podcast, soon to be launched. Get ready for it. It's going to be very informative, very exciting, very inspiring, challenging, and then we're going to equip you with practical tools to help you in your business and your entrepreneurial journey. And lastly, if you have a desire to become an author, into a published author, an author in 2023, sign up for this book writing workshop where I share with you the experience, from my experience, all the tips that I've developed over the years to help myself write 13 books, publish 8 books today, ghostwritten so many others, and help many others write their books. It's going to be very informative. Subscribe to it now, sign up for it, and you will be helped and informed and become the author that you desire to be this year. And before you go, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. God richly bless you, and I hope to come your way again soon.